Hi there, this is Ben Oberholzer and this is my quick review on Easy Sketch Pro. This is one of the videos that I've done. I've used Easy Sketch Pro in my intro as well, and I integrated it with PowerPoint, and it makes quite a nice effect. I'll play the video and you can see for yourself. Then I've gone further and I have integrated some videos that I made with the slideshow with Microsoft PowerPoint, and as you can see it's really easy to do. It's got a really nice effect, and if you're ever on the sideline about using Easy Sketch Pro, then get off the sideline, because it's amazing what you can do with this program. Integrated with slides and it plays automatically. You just have to know how to work the settings, but it's easy to learn. So if you want to ask my opinion, then this is probably one of the best software I have ever purchased. There's millions and millions of these pictures online. You can go to, just make sure you have all the rights to the images. This is some of the stock images that came with the program, and there's a few of mine. If you go to the members area, once you purchased Easy Sketch Pro, there's really informative videos teaching you how to use these vector images and how to format them correctly for use in this program. And there's lots of resources and everything is there to help you to make stunning whiteboard videos. So if you want my opinion about this, I would say this is, I won't ever look back after I've purchased this program, and I hope you see it the same way. Bye.